Your body is a gem for you, right? But are you taking proper care of your nerves? Yes, they too need your attention. Welcome back to Vitality Plus, where you get answers to your health-related questions. And today we are going to touch upon some food options that can shockingly help you cure nerve damage. Sounds helpful, right? So stay with us till the end of the video to get an idea of these food options. Let's begin. Let's first define nerve injury before moving on to the food options. Sending information from the brain to various sections of our body, nerves function as the body's messaging system. Many issues such as tingling sensations, pain, or even difficulty regulating muscles can arise from damage to these nerves. Including these foods in your meals, along with drinking plenty of water and maintaining a nutritious diet, can be a delicious approach to support the health and happiness of your nerves. Let's dive right in. Number 1, Omega-3 Fatty. These good fats act like a comforting lotion for your nerves. Picture them as the defenders in the nutritional world, battling inflammation and aiding in nerve cell repair. Omega-3s are present in fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines. But if you're not keen on seafood, no problem. Flax seeds and walnuts are fantastic plant-based alternatives. These foods provide the essential omega-3s that can do wonders for your nerves, whether you enjoy a delicious fish dish or sprinkle some flax seeds on your morning yogurt. It's like giving your nerves a supportive hug from the inside out. Number 2, Vitamin B Team. These vitamins are like key players in helping your nerves work well and heal. B1, also called thiamine, is in whole grains, beans, and nuts. B6, found in bananas, avocados, and poultry, helps make neurotransmitters. And B12, which boosts energy, is in fish, meat, and dairy. Having a mix of foods rich in these B vitamins can provide the support your nerves crave. So, next time you're planning meals, think about including a mix of whole grains, nuts, fruits, and lean meats to keep your nerves in top-notch shape. It's like giving your body a special blend of nutrients to keep those nerves happy and healthy. Number 3, antioxidant-rich berries. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are filled with antioxidants that act like superheroes against oxidative stress. This stress can harm your nerves, so enjoying these tasty berries isn't just a treat for your sweet tooth. It's also a boost for your nerves. It's like having a tiny army of defenders in your snack bowl, fighting off the things that might stress out your nerves. So the next time you crave something sweet, reach for a handful of these colorful berries. Number 4, Magnesium Magic. Magnesium is like the quiet hero when it comes to keeping your nerves healthy. This powerful mineral plays a role in more than 300 biochemical reactions in your body, especially in nerve function. You can find magnesium in foods like spinach, almonds, and black beans, making them excellent sources. Adding these foods to your diet is like giving your nerves a soothing potion, helping to calm any jitteriness and supporting your overall well-being. So, don't overlook the importance of magnesium. It might be silent, but it's definitely a hero for your nerves. Number 5, turmeric. Let's use turmeric, the golden jewel in your spice cabinet, to add a little excitement. Turmeric's main ingredient, curcumin, has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. When it comes to nerve injury, these characteristics can truly matter. Turmeric is a delightful way to boost your nerves from the inside out, whether you use it as a spice on your food or enjoy it in a warm cup of golden milk. Thus, the next time you're in the kitchen, remember to add a little of this golden magic to your dishes to make them more interesting and to treat your nerves. Number 6, lean proteins. Like the creators of life, proteins play a major role in nerve repair. Legumes, tofu, turkey, and chicken are examples of low-fat proteins. These foods provide your body with the amino acids it needs to repair any damaged nerves. It's similar to providing your nerves with the resources they require to get back in form to make sure your diet includes a good variety of proteins. Therefore, eating a well-balanced meal that includes tofu or a delicious chicken dish will actually help your nerves repair and function properly again. Number 7, hydration. Let's now highlight water, the unsung hero. Not only does being hydrated promote general health, but it also supports the health of myelin, the covering that protects nerves. Insufficient water consumption can interfere with nerve impulse transmission, leading to pain and discomfort. Thus, remember to sip water throughout the day to keep your nerves alert and well hydrated. It's like offering them a cool beverage to keep everything in order. Here we come to the end of the video, but your self-care begins from here. We guess you will begin with keeping yourself hydrated for betterment of your nevers. If you have some other plans, do share with us in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed watching the video, don't forget to like and share. For more such content, subscribe to our channel. See you soon in the next video.